session for the trial of the Sonic Boom cast.
The prosecution is ready, Your Honor.
But where is your client, Mr. Hedgehog?
I'm my own client. I'll be representing myself, Your Honor.
The defense is also ready, Your Honor. We'll also be representing ourselves.
Now then, Mr. Hedgehog, please tell us about the incident if you would.
The incident happened on November 11th, 2014. A video game called Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric was released. The game was beyond bad. It has been acclaimed as the worst Sonic game of all, and it greatly damaged my already tarnished career. The fans said, oh, but the 3DS game wasn't so bad, or, but the TV show is good. But I say, son, I don't care, and you're wrong. They are all abominations, and surely the defendants sabotaged Rise of Lyric to make me look bad.
You claim the defendants ruined the game, even though it affected them too?
Absolutely. They may be in the game too, but isn't it my name on the box? Their names could never be as sullied as mine. They were jealous they only got minor roles recently, so they tampered with Sonic Boom to make me look bad and make themselves look good.
Objection! That's preposterous! We all looked bad in Sonic Boom!
See, here is the redesign they gave me. Look at that huge forehead, those ridiculously long legs, those miscolored arms, and what in the world is up with all those bandages? Oh, I'm sorry, I mean sports tape.
Please! That's nothing compared to my redesign. Look at this monstrosity. At least your personality is more or less the same. I can't even go out anymore without someone mocking my intelligence or appearance.
Those are pretty bad, even for you. The court accepts these as evidence. Mr. Hedgehog, please call your first witness to the stand.
I'd like to call to the stand everyone from the main Sonic cast. Witness, your name and occupation, please.
Miles Power, child genius, and former best friend of Sonic. Now that he's accusing me of a crime. When Sonic Boom was first announced, I was actually happy, because I was finally a playable character and by Sonic's side again. They made me into a silly inventor and gave me a rather useless redesign, but I was okay with it. They promised us this would be the year of Sonic, and I was so happy Sonic was going to be great again. He deserved it after all the dirt he'd been having on him. I could live with the bad redesigns, but those glitches, they were unacceptable. How can anyone release a game with so many bugs? As a tech-savvy person, this game made my eyes bleed. Sonic is the best and deserves the best. How could I ever ruin one of his games?
Aw, Tails, how could I have ever doubted you?
Sonic!
Name and occupation, please.
Oh, Sonic, you know who I am.
Name and occupation, please.
I'm Amy Rose, the world's cutest girl. My occupation is chasing Sonic. I love Sonic. I would never do anything to ruin his game, especially if I'm in the game too.
Hold it! Miss Rose, you make no secret of your bordering on obsession and infatuation towards Sonic. How do we know you did not sabotage his career just so he'd have more time for you?
Are you kidding me? Not only did they give me a cool outfit and a main role, but there's never been so much Son Amy in a Sonic game and a cartoon than Sonic Boom. I love this game. I wouldn't change a thing about it.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
How do we know it's not Eggman who broke the game? He certainly has the technology and motivation for it.
What? Me? The fans claim I'm the best thing about Sonic Boom, while Sonic's popularity plummets even further. It's a double win for me. I wouldn't change a thing about Boom either. But do continue. I enjoy watching you guys turn against one another.
Next witness.
I'm Knuckles the Echidna. I guard the Master Emerald. If I hear another Knuckles Jr. joke, I'm gonna smash someone's face. And yes, I can read.
Calm down, Mr. Echidna. Mr. Hedgehog, continue your examination.
Mr. Echidna, is it not possible that when you saw your redesign, you decided to take it out on Sonic and sabotage the game?
That's bullshit! Once I saw the redesigns, I wanted to stop the game just like you did. I've never been so embarrassed. Everywhere I go, it's, hey Knuckles, have you stopped working out? Or, hey Knuckles, show us that infinite jump. It's tough, man. My first time being playable in so long and they do this to me. I want to find the culprit just as much as you, Sonic. But it's not me.
I am Cream the Rabbit, and this is Cheese the Chow. Choo-choo! I'm not sure what an occupation is. Objection! Cream is not even in the game, and how can you accuse an innocent little girl of such a heinous crime?
Overruled. Anyone could have ruined the game. And don't you know the most innocent ones are the most suspicious? Carry on, Mr. Hedgehog.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Cream, is it true that you were upset when this new useless character Styx stole your spot?
Oh no! My mom says jealousy is an ugly emotion. I'm happy when my friends get to be in a game, even if the end result wasn't as good as expected. I'm sure all the nice developers worked very hard. My mom says it doesn't matter if you fail, as long as you did your best.
Objection! They did not do their best. That's the problem. Plus, how do we know it's not Cheese who did it?
Cheese says he's an honest Chow, and he can't ruin a game because he has no fingers. I'm Rouge the Bat, treasure hunter.
You're awfully relaxed for someone who is accused of a crime.
This is not my first time in court, honey.
Miss Bat, why don't you admit that you were pissed when they put Shadow in the game but not you? Pissed enough to break the game's code, perhaps? I know you've got your ways into secured computers.
Don't be silly, Sugar. While it's true Shadow has never appeared in a game without me before, after what they did to him, I'm so glad I'm not in Sonic Boom. The way I see it, I was excluded from it. I was spared. And thank God for that. Whatever they did to the lot of you, however, is none of my concern.
Please state your name and occupation.
Shadow the Hedgehog, gun agent.
Mr. Hedgehog, out of all the characters, your performance in Sonic Boom has been noted as the most out of character. In fact, some even went as far to describe it, and I quote, "It's like they took everything people hate about Shadow and made it into a character."
I don't care.
Here is a chart of your popularity as each game went by. You've really hit rock bottom here.
Are you sure that's not your chart? Regardless of how badly I was portrayed in Sonic Boom, kids everywhere were asking over and over for me to be included in the TV show. It seems that, unlike you, no matter how bad the games, my fans still love me.
Well, this has been very amusing, but have you found who the culprit is, Mr. Hedgehog?
Yes, it's obviously...
He was referring to me. Yes, Your Honor. The culprit is undoubtedly Knuckles the Echidna.
What? How dare you?
You had the most reason to sabotage the game. Sonic Boom has made you the laughing stock of the franchise.
I've been trying to tell you I'm on your side. I didn't do it. Come on, this is so unfair.
How does the jury find the defendant? Knuckles the Echidna for the crime of causing the worst Sonic game ever.
I'm gonna make Sonic kill you for what you have done to the most game that was gonna be turned out.
Cruel! I'm innocent. It wasn't me. Have mercy.
Sonic, you may kill Knuckles now. Yes, Your Honor. No, Knuckle. No, Sonic. No, don't kill me. No, don't kill me. No, I'm innocent. No. Justice has been served.
Stop! Knuckles is innocent. It was me. I did it. I ruined Rise of Lyric. I'm from the future, remember? Well, in my time, Sonic Boom is so horrible that the government banned all Sonic games forever. So I thought I'd go back in time and sabotage the game during development. It'd be so broken that they would have no choice but to cancel the project and Sonic Boom would never come into existence, you know?
Wait, so it was Silver all along and not Knuckles? That means we have to go back to the past like 3 minutes ago. Gotta go fast. 2 minutes later, back to the past. Zop! It's not Knuckles. It was Silver. How did you know? I came back from the future. And you are gonna pay for what you did.
Kill Silver!
Don't let him escape!
Everybody kill Silver!
I said I was sorry!
Yeah! Ah! I said I was sorry! Don't kill me! Knuckles, it's all yours! You got that. No, Knuckles! Don't do it! No! No!